That's once a week.
That's once a week, every Monday, starting July 27 at 9:30 p.m. After the Eclipse Watch the Channels. We've already filmed our first season. We only had 6 episodes so far. I hope you guys can support it. Who knows, we might have our second season.
What will be the show all about? Your styling technique, mga shoots?
The show is all about our daily grind as stylists for different celebrities and as the creative director of Spectrum Magazine, as style editor of Literature Society, and also for other corporate clients. Usually, there are cameras following us to shoot us, to see what we do, how we do it. Basically, it's just a matter of styling and our everyday challenges in terms of styling. And of course, we have to show also our personal issues and there is personal touches. There are personal touches. So you can see that with my angels, not just with me, but also for my angels, with my angels.
What about mga tips, mga you're giving
yes,
us?
definitely we're giving out tips in the show. You will learn. At the end of the day, there is always learnings. Per episode, we want to show the entire industry, not just for our industry, but for the aspiring celebrity stylists or fashion stylists. How we do things. It's merely how we do things. And since we are the first styling services company in the Philippines, it doesn't necessarily mean that we are the best, but we aim to be the best, and we aim to service this styling to all sorts of people.
Are you showing some styling also, like the masa type?
Yes, definitely. It ranges from celebrity styling, to magazine styling, to real people styling. There is highs and lows, high and lows. We're gonna use different brands, different designers, international designers, fashion shows. So everything that you wish for, what you are expecting in a styling show, it's gonna be in it.
There's no host.
Host?
Walang host yung show.
There's no host. It's just a camera following us, our daily grind, and they just capture whatever they see on what we do and whatever we do.
Hindi ka ba natakot na, baka makopya ka, magaya ka, di ba? Kasi you're showing everything here.
Hindi na, kasi styling is very subjective. It really depends on how you take it. What's badly for you may not be badly for others. I'm just lucky that I have clients to back me. I have productions to back me. I have magazines to back me. Being in the industry for 10 years, it helped me grow as a person, not just as a stylist. I've learned to be goal-oriented, to be focused about my work on my ethics, my work ethics as a person, as an employee, as a boss to many people. So it's
How long is the show?
the show is about 30 minutes. 30 minutes.